guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm so excited to be filming this hair video for you guys. This is my first time filming a hair video, and the hair is actually very affordable and it's very good quality hair. I feel like we all can benefit from a good affordable style that is still really cute. I'm kind of getting tired of getting to the point where I'm spending so much money on bundles and closures and frontals and this, that, and the third. And I just feel like it's not really worth it because it doesn't last. But anyway, guys, we're going to get right into the video. Thank you guys so much for tuning in today. If it is your first time here, welcome. My name is Chrissy. You might want to go ahead and subscribe while you're here because I have a lot of new content that I will be pushing out this week and next week. And I'll try to be, well, I'm pretty consistent, but I'll try to be even more consistent, maybe 2 videos a week moving forward. I don't want to make any promises, but anyway, guys, let's get right into this video. I'm not going to talk y'all heads off today. I know you want the tea on this hair, so yes. First things first, I'm going to let you guys know where I got the hair. I got it from Amazon. It is the Unice hair. I'm not sure how you say it, if it's Unice or Unice. I say Unice, but some people say Unice. But it is the Unice hair, but I purchased mine from Amazon because they do have a few wigs on there, and they have like a few different selections of frontals, closures, and bundles. So you can purchase directly from the Unice website. I purchased from Amazon because I needed it in a timely manner, and I just feel like Amazon Prime was the perfect way to go. So I ordered it on Saturday, last Saturday I believe, and I received it on Wednesday. And I just got my hair done yesterday, so it took a couple of days to come. The hair was very affordable. When I say affordable, I got 3 bundles and I got a 5x5 HD closure, and I paid about $230 in total. I am going to leave the direct link down below so you guys can order the same exact package deal that I did, because there's a bunch of different ones and it's easy to get confused. So yeah, I'll just be leaving the link down below. I feel like $230 for 3 bundles and an HD 5x5 closure, it doesn't get much better than that. I was a little bit skeptical because of the price. I didn't know, how the quality was going to be. I didn't know if the I didn't know if the closure was going to, look cheap or have dark knots or like dark lace or anything like that. But the lace on the closure is really good. I'm going to insert some pictures so you guys can see what it looks like in the natural light, and I'll also try to insert some videos while I was out yesterday just so you guys can see like how the hair moves. I can literally run my fingers right through it. I'm really impressed by the quality of the hair, and my stylist said that she likes it too. It's super soft, it doesn't really shed. I did get the bundles dyed black because I just like the way that black looks against my skin, but you can also leave it in the natural brown. That also looks cute too. I ordered 2 16s, 1 18, and the HD 5x5 closure is the 16-inch. So I got layers cut into it so that my curls could like bounce around a little bit more. I don't think I have much of the 18 in, so it kind of falls like right above where my boob is, my boob area. So, but yeah, guys, I really do like the hair. I'm going to do an update video just to let you guys know how long the hair lasted me, how well I kept it up, because I know the longevity of the hair is a very important factor of, quality, whether or not the hair is good. So it's only day 2 for me, so I can't really say, oh, it doesn't shed, it doesn't do this, it doesn't do that. It might do that over time. Yeah, I'll just be doing an update video for you guys just so you can see how it holds up, how long my curls lasted. I actually didn't pin curl my hair last night. I just wrapped it in like a loose bun and put my bonnet on, and I did wear a frontal scarf just to hold the closure down. When you wear a closure that's 5x5, it's kind of giving you a frontal effect, so you have to kind of wear something that's going to hold it down. You can't just put your bonnet on because then your edges are going to be out of place, and you don't want that. So guys, so far so good. I give the hair itself 10 out of 10. I'll say the frontal is like an 8 out of 10. I'm not going to give it a 10 because it's not undetectable, which I was not expecting it to be anyway. But you literally have to be in my face to see the lace. Like, you're not going to see the lace. But I'm really picky when it comes to lace. Me myself, I can see it once I'm close up in the mirror, but I know when I'm out, you know, people aren't going to be like staring at my lace. I don't like that. But yeah, so far so good. And again, I'll be doing an update video for you guys. I feel like the hair holds a curl very well. I was out all night, literally dancing, carrying on, doing all this extra stuff, and my curls lasted. So thumbs up for that. Another thing is about the HD closure, it was pre-plucked. So my stylist only had to customize it a little bit, and she literally parted my hair, and I don't even think she plucked the part. Like, it was basically just ready to go. I don't even think she plucked the part. It just was basically ready to go. So yeah, thumbs up for that. You don't have to get it installed by a stylist, but I'm like literally illiterate when it comes to hair. I don't know how to do hair at all. I don't even know how to maintain my curls, and that's why they already fell. But I do like this little wavy look that I have going on. But yeah, guys, so far I do enjoy this hair, and I will be doing an update video, so be on the lookout for that. I didn't want to make this video too drawn out because basically I'm just, you know, sharing the information about the hair. But yeah, let me know if you guys like my new style, my curls. I feel like it looks so cute with me. But anyway, guys, like this video, comment down below, let me know what you think, subscribe to my channel. Like I said, I have a lot of new videos that I will be pushing out in the next couple of weeks, so stay tuned for that. Also, turn your notifications on so you do not miss an upload. And yeah, I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye, guys. Thanks for watching.